welcome back to She's in Her Apron. Okay, today is Monday and I've had a good day. It is now almost 3:30. The kids are home from school. I've been working on my freezer meal videos for you guys, and so I'm mapping it out how I want to film it for you, so hang tight for that. I'm making a grocery list. I'm slowly making a grocery list for my freezer meals, but we need some things right now. We need dish soap and, you know, fruits, the fruit bowl. Boston ate an apple and I think there might be like 2 left. So we need some fruit in this house. Okay, so I have been looking at the grocery ads and I've been making a little list here. And since Walmart doesn't price match anymore, boo, I do need to go to these stores to get these deals. I have been going through the front pages of the ads. The front and the back is your best deals on on the sales. Hands down, best deals, especially the front page. So I don't even bother looking in the middle of the flyers, you guys. Like, honestly, I just don't. So I put the store, like the initial in that box there, or what store it's at. But I could get Clausen pickles, those yummy, yummy Clausen pickles, for $2.49 a jar. That is amazing. So this is what I need. If I manage to finish my freezer meal list, then I'll go for that, but I'm not too worried about that. A lot of the stuff I have here in my big freezer, so I'm just prepping for you guys. Freezer meal videos take a lot of time to film and especially to edit, and so yeah, so like I said, I'm just trying to map out how I'm going to do it for you guys. I've got some hacks and tips, and I'm going to make those in another video, all that stuff for you guys. So, oh, and guess what? I'm giving a giveaway with one of my freezer meal videos. Something I've been wanting to do forever. I've been collecting something, and there's going to be a couple of lucky winners. So yes, this is so fun. This is so fun. I'm gonna start dinner. We're having beef stew. Oh, my rolls are ready. Look how high they are. Oh my goodness, these are the not roads. These are, oh, I'll show you. But they are ready to cook. So I'm gonna just take this out. Take these out of the oven, start my oven, and get these baking because they are ready. Okay, these are Terrell's Country Roll Scone Dough. And so I'm just going to bake them up like this right now. And I usually put them on a cookie sheet. So they're going to bake up really weird, but they are delicious. Okay, I got the beef stew going. Just bring it to a boil. Then I'm going to simmer it for an hour. And then I'll add all the rest of the ingredients in. So dinner's going to be a little late. It's already 5. But what are you going to do? This is so worth the wait, though. Okay, dinner is done. Beef stew, and the flavor is amazing. Look what Derek picked up at Costco. He ran in to get milk and he saw these there, and I was hoping they would be there, and now they are. These are the knives that we have. We love them. These are Cuisinart. They work really good. And so we were just ready for some new ones, even though it's like a lifetime warranty. We were just ready.
Welcome home, Derek. It was $12.99.
$12.99! Oh my gosh! See, yes, she is wearing her Star Labs. Callie loves the Flash.
Muffins! Not muffins. Rolls! Shaped like muffins!
They, someone asked me on Instagram, how do you get your rolls so big? And I said, you forget about them. And they rise Super big.
Did you put them in a cupcake?
I did, and I forgot about them, so that's the secret. You forget about them.
Ooh, those are big chunks of meat.
It's super good today, too. The flavor is amazing. I'm gonna toot my own horn. Toot, toot.
That was fantastic.
You wanna know why she just made that noise?
Because I saw my parents kissing.
We just kissed. She didn't like that. We'll see you tomorrow. Today is seriously gorgeous. And it's crazy that we woke up yesterday morning to a couple of inches of snow. And it's gone. Good old Utah. So one of my favorite things is to grab cinnamon bread or cinnamon raisin bread and make French toast from this. It always comes out so good. Do you guys like doing that? Oh, yeah. And it's 10 for 10, so $1. Yum. So when my Smith store does a sale like this on their pasta, their American Beauty, this is when I stock up in the house and put it in my food storage room. When you buy 6, you can get it for 49 cents, you guys. So when you see stuff like that, grow your food storage. 99 cents for cream cheese? Yeah. So this is the peanut butter my kids love, and this is what we stock up in our food storage room. So $1.39 is a really good deal on this, and so I'm just grabbing just a couple to add to my food storage. And that's how you build your food storage up, you guys. Okay, I have a big savings grocery haul for you. I went to 2 grocery stores today after Boston went back to school. A lot of this is for the freezer meals that I'll be making, but most of this is for my food storage room. Okay, let's start over here. These 8-ounce bags of cheese were 2 for $3. So I'm gonna stick them in my freezer. They do awesome in the freezer to be used up. Fantastic. So I got Italian style blend. This is for pizzas. Mexican style blend. This is for our chicken enchiladas that I love making freezer meals with. Mozzarella cheese, you can put that on anything. Love it. Now, I remember some of the exact prices on these things and some I don't. The Clausen pickles, I'm sorry you guys, but Clausens are, actually I'm not sorry. Clausens are the best pickles ever. And they can be spendy, almost $4 a jar, like high 3 something. So our store had them on for, I want to say $2.49. So I grabbed 2 of the Clausen Spears, 2 of the minis, and 1 of the sandwich. Miracle Whip was also on sale for $2.49, and so I grabbed me 4. And the thing is I look at the expiration date because it is going in my food room. We are on our last jar of Miracle Whip, and so I made sure that it was pretty far out to use this up. And that is a huge tip when you want to start storing like a food stock and build up. So this expires by September. Plenty of time. We'll go through that. So I only grabbed 4. Kraft barbecue sauces were on sale, and with this deal that was going on, you got it for like 99 cents, but if you have a coupon, I didn't look for coupons. I haven't been doing coupons for years because, well, YouTube it took over. I just don't have time to coupon right now. But if you find a coupon, you could usually get these for 49 cents a piece. And I know because that's what I did for years. So I grabbed some hickory smoke, original, and mesquite. And I'm going to be making some freezer meals with that as well. All right, so I grabbed 4 avocados. They were 88 cents each. Some zucchini. These were on sale, but I can't remember how much. So I got a big bag of those. And some crushed red pepper flakes. I grabbed some lunch meat for sandwiches. This is the Columbus Applewood smoked ham. We love that. And then just American cheese. I grabbed a bag of coleslaw because I grabbed some ribs, country style ribs, and Jonah and ribs, oh yes, coleslaw. So I was like, I better grab the coleslaw. Okay, and green peppers. Some tomatoes, look how beautiful. Look how gorgeous. So that was on sale, I want to say for like 88 cents a pound or something like that. I grabbed 1 red pepper for one of my freezer meals. Some carrots, celery. This was 99 cents, I want to say. And I got the green peppers for 79 cents, I believe. Here we have asparagus. I got this for 88 cents a pound, I believe. And then 2 cucumbers, some flour tortillas for the chicken enchiladas. I grabbed the kids some mini bagels. This is something that I buy very rarely. So I got them that. And then that cinnamon bread, if you saw on my Instagram stories, to make French toast with. I thought that would be fun for the kids. And 2 of the big cans of the green chili enchilada sauce. And this is something new from Bertolli. I love Bertolli. I think their sauces are delicious. Their vodka sauce, I've always wanted to try it. So I grabbed that. It was on sale. And I grabbed it with some gnocchi. Yes, I love gnocchi. So it's a potato pasta if you've never had it. And then I grabbed sour cream and cream cheese. And then they had on sale their American Beauty pasta. And the deal was if you bought 6, you can get it for 49 cents a bag. And this is when I stock up for my food room, when they are this much. So I grabbed 2 bow ties because I could be making a salad with that this summer. 2 bags of penne. And 2 elbow macaronis. 4 spaghettis, 1 fettuccine, and 1 linguine. Apples were 99 cents a pound for the Granny Smith and Gala, so that's what I grabbed. Some strawberries and blueberries for the cottage cheese. The blueberries were 2 for $3, I believe, or 2 for $4. So still a good deal, so I grabbed that. This was a good deal, the Kroger cream cheese. Each bar ended up being 99 cents, which is great because the lowest I've ever seen it go down is 88 cents around the holidays like Thanksgiving and Christmas. So I grabbed 2 2-packs. This was just because I want to eat it. I mean, sharp cheddar cheese, the cheese ball, I mean, come on. I don't think I need to explain why I got that. That was just delicious. Love, love this. I'm going to be sharing it with you in May, so stay tuned, the end of May. This is the vegetable recipe mix from Knorr. On the back, they have the best dip, spinach dip, to make for parties. Just seriously, look at the ingredients. It's so good and it's addicting and it's a hit. They were on sale and I'm having a hard time finding these lately, so I grabbed 4. I grabbed some orzo for rice pilaf and our chicken orzo soup. And then 2 cans of refried beans. Okay, I picked up 8 more peanut butters. They were on sale for $1.39. This is the peanut my kids love, and we go through peanut butter really fast when they make shakes. So I grabbed 8 more to add to the food storage. And then we have here the chicken leg quarters. This ended up being 99 cents a pound, which is awesome. They're usually $4.38 a pound. So I got each for about $4.50. So I want Derek to smoke these up on the smoker. How good would that be? And then whatever we have left that we don't eat, we could use in recipes. So I was like, yes, I'm excited for that. Yum. I grabbed 2 hot Italian sausages for my, well, sauce, Italian sauce, but I call it gravy. So those will go in the freezer. And then here are the ribs, the country style ribs. Yes. Oh, yum. So this was my grocery haul today. Yeah, now I just got to put all this stuff away. That's the bummer part. I don't mind shopping. I could grocery shop all day long, but it's the putting away that's the bummer. So I'm going to get this away. Okay, dinner is almost done. Callie's gonna take it out of the oven, and the kids' dinner is made. I am heading out right now to go pick up Derek from work because we borrowed his dad's truck. Callie had his car, and the truck got returned, so now he needs to be picked up. So I am going to go exchange I'm gonna go try to find a new chair cushion for our patio furniture. Check it out. So I've been looking for new patio chair cushions, and so I found these at Best Buy on Saturday, and they were buy one get one half off. So they were $30. So I was really excited, but it's just a little too short. So I am on my way to go get Derek from work, and we're gonna check out one more store. We're gonna check it at home and see if we could find something. I'm gonna still hold on to these just in case I can't, but it's not very comfortable when you sit on it. It's like your neck just needs a little more cushion, so darn it. So wish me luck, because last year I had a very hard time finding any. Very. That cannot happen this year. We're having Callie's graduation party here. I need cushions for the patio chairs, so wish us luck. I'm gonna take that with me so I do not screw this up. So, and then I have our drinks and popcorn from the last time we went to a movie, so we can get our free refills. So every other time you could eat for free. Isn't that nice? Yeah. Oh, and Derek and I got the movie pass. Have you guys heard of it? This isn't sponsored, but how cool would that have been? So, all right. So we got, it looks like this. Movie pass. We got it for, I ordered it online at moviepass.com. You can get it through the app, but it's cheaper. Well, at least it was when I ordered it. It was like $7 something a month, and you pay for the whole year. Online it was like, or on the app it was like $9 something. So $8 a month. I paid for the whole year up front. You get to go to the movies. You can go to the movies every day for $7 something a month. And we are movie people. How awesome is that? There's like rules to how you do it. Like you have to be so many yards away from the movie theater to check into the movie, and then you go in and pay for it. So you couldn't give it the card to, like, you know, a friend or your child, because you have to log into the app. So that's how they get it, from like you passing your card around. So Derek and I got our passes, and so tonight with our refills, our free refills, we have a free movie night tonight. So think about it, my friends. Think about it. Pretty cool.